Hello everyone, this is Miss Martika here with the Fairfield Public Library. It's so great to see you. Well, today we're going to make a really cool craft, and it is a dragon. I hope you continue to watch the video so that you can make this cool dragon with me. In your take and make bag, you should have these items: a black construction paper, a yellow square of tissue paper, a strip of paper with 2 dragon horns and 4 triangles for the dragon teeth, 2 googly eyes, 1 red yarn, and 7 cupcake liners. There are some items that you need from home, which is a glue stick, a black marker, scissors, and that would be all. Take a few seconds to make sure you have all of the items in front of you. Perfect. So let's first start off by separating our cupcake liners. We should have 2 red cupcake liners in our kit that we are going to put off to the side. Our rest of our cupcake liners we'll use right now. We're going to turn our paper and we will take a few of these apart, open our cupcake liners, and cut right down the middle. And we want to do this with all of them except for the 2 reds. Now you should have all of your pieces cut in half. Let's move those to the side. Next up is we're going to take our marker and trace like a snake S so that we can follow the design of a dragon. Cupcake liners, turning it over. And we are going to place it going around the S that we just drew. Make sure the S is large. Great. Now that you're done, you are going to take one of your red tissue papers. We're going to fold that in half. And we're going to cut off the corners. We're going to then open and cut across the crease. We will glue this for the dragon's head. The next piece, we'll do the same. Fold it in half, cut off the corners, and we're going to glue this, keeping it closed on one side. Right on top. We could take the two googly eyes and we could place the eyes. Great. The next step we're going to do is cut out the teeth and the horn. Great. Our next step would be to take the tissue paper and make some strips. So now that we have our strips and our teeth, we are going to open up the dragon's mouth and add some teeth inside. So on one side, we'll put two. And on the other side, we'll put two more. Now in the dragon's mouth, this is where we're going to use the yellow strips because as we know, dragons blow out fire. So we'll put some glue inside. And add the dragons. Fire breathing breath out. Gonna add a little bit of glue right on top of the white paper just so it could close that part down just a little bit but still keep the mouth open. Oh, I found an extra one. Great. Now I will take my horns and place them on my dragon's head. My next step is to take my yarn and I'm going to cut that into two. And I'm going to get my marker and I'm going to draw one nostril and a second nostril. And out of the nostril, that's where I'm going to place some glue and have some more fire breathing smoke coming out of his nose and the other side. We are complete. It was so great to create this dragon with you guys. He's super cool, isn't he? Well, don't forget to always check out our calendar so that you're up to date with all the wonderful events we have here at the library. Until next time, see you later. Bye.